Before we begin, the most views of this channel are from non who are subscribed, so why not we change that up a bit? So as always, hit that subscribe button and enable all the notifications. Assuming you've done that, let's jump right to the video. Did you know that you are using your computer wrong? I'm pretty sure you will see a big difference in performance after you successfully follow the content in this video in your PC. Think of this way, assume you noticed a slight bug or a performance drop in your Windows installation and you shut down the computer and reboot it again, assuming that fixed your problem and later found that still the problem exits. So frustrating, right? Well, think no further if you directly restart your computer. Instead of shutting down and powering up the system again, it fixes your issue. This happens because in modern Windows there is something called fast startup, and restarting your computer just forces your PC to completely shut down and reboot from the beginning. If you want just to shut down your computer completely, you could do so by going to the control panel, clicking Power Options, selecting Choose what power buttons do, and clicking on Change Options that currently are not available, and uncheck the Fast Startup option and click on Save Changes. There you have it. If you found this video helpful, press the subscribe button and be sure to hit the bell icon. And like this video. Thanks for watching this video. See you again in another video.